Hi guys, I'm back for my 7th day at the animal sanctuary. It's really bright out today. It's actually a beautiful day out. It's nice and warm. A couple videos ago, I was talking about confronting a person who has harassed me for about 20 years. And they promised me that they would never contact me again when I confronted them on the phone. And yesterday I saw an email from them. So I'm going to preface this with, I've had the same email for 20 years. And I have tried to switch my email. I have a secondary email that I've tried to make my primary email. Anyways, I've blocked him on my email, phone, everything. Anything with his name, any email handle that he's ever had is blocked. He successfully catfished me about 10 years ago. He tried to catfish me as a random person at first, and then we're from the same hometown, and he had my Facebook, and he saw that I knew this girl. He knew that I knew this girl, and I had moved away from the city, and he had started dating this girl, and he catfished me as this girl. He was using her pictures, using her nudes. And when I don't know if I said this part, but when I finally kind of figured it out, I figured out where she worked, and I showed up, and with her nudes on my phone, I'm like, have we been talking? And she's like, what the fuck? No. And so I gave her my number, and then she called me, and she's like, oh, that's my boyfriend. I'm like, who's your boyfriend? And it was this person. I'm like, you have got to be kidding me. Anyways, so he's kept messaging me from different accounts nonstop through the years. And I realized that he was calling me and from different numbers for years, and just not saying anything. So he was getting weirder and weirder with his messages lately, more and more sexual, making me feel more and more uncomfortable. So I finally confronted him on the phone and was like, you need to stop. This is super, super making me feel uncomfortable. This is not healthy. And he's like, yeah, you're right. Just do me a favor and block me, and I'll never contact you again. And so usually on emails, I can kind of tell if they're not from somebody I know. I'm just immediately gonna delete them. And so yesterday, sure enough, and it was a final farewell. And if you watch any of my videos, I'm really open about the fact that I'm an addict in recovery, and that my paternal grandfather was the only male really healthy male role model in my childhood. And he was in AA and was a sponsor in AA, and he was in it for 40 years. And a lot of my childhood memories, super, super impactful ones, are with him, and with him helping other people in AA. So if you bring up AA, it kind of like pulls at my heartstrings a little bit. And actually, I haven't talked about this, but I had to stop doing the online NA meetings because, oh my god, and this is so friggin' ridiculous. People would hack into the Zoom calls and start playing like pornography. Which is like such a pathetic and sad thing to say. But yeah, anyways. So if you say like you're in recovery, or like you've started living a sober lifestyle, or that you want to go to a meeting with me, like that means something to me. And so his message was like, I'm sorry for everything that has happened to you. Like, not like everything that he did to me. Everything that's happened to you. You're better without me in your life. I'm sober now, which he had told me he's been like sober for 10 years, so I don't know when that changed. I'm sober. I see things clearly. This is my last message to you ever. Goodbye. And it's like, okay, if you really meant that, you wouldn't have even messaged me to begin with. I'm trying not to react in anger this year. It's not made me angry. It's just like, some people are really, really in their own minds too much. Like, I really think that this person needs help. And I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. I just have to leave it. Like, I'm never responding. Ever. I never respond. Like, that phone call definitely was a mistake, but I wanted him to hear my voice, and like, I wanted it to be like, this is reality. Like, whatever fantasy you have in your head is not real life. Like, absolutely not. No, never. Like, oh man. Anyways, I'm back at the farm, and that makes me freaking happy, and it's a nice day out. So I'm gonna get more footage today. I love Cedric. Cedric is such a sweet pig. The little 800-pound teacup pig. He has such sweet eyes too. I love him. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are. I hope you're taking care of yourself. Hope you're being nice to yourself. Hope you're being nice to other people. Holy. Bye, guys.
This is Tuxedo. He's the first to say hi to me and the last to say goodbye to me every time. Sometimes he tries to jump in my car too. He's very sweet. Oh, got a little cough. What a sweet boy. Okay, let's go see the piggies. Let's go. Ready? Oh my goodness, you're too cute. Okay, this is a good way to see the size difference. Like, see the little black pig? That's a 100-pound to 200-pound pig. And then these two are Minerva and Cedric. And they're like 800 pounds. You remember me? I missed you. You having a good day? Hi. Do you remember me? Maybe? Remember? Hi. Oh, hi. I don't really think Minerva likes me. Okay. Hi, Cedric. Hi. Hi. Okay, okay. I won't bother you.